Dear students, welcome to Mathematics CET classes. In this class, we will discuss the concept of tangent and normal, and also we will solve problems on a tangent and normal. Okay. First of all, I will explain you what is a tangent and what is a normal. In a two-dimensional plane, y-axis and x-axis, suppose there is a curve like this. And if you draw a line passing through only one point of the curve, this is y is equal to f of x curve, and this line is called as a tangent. It is passing through only one point. Let us take this point as a p of x1 comma y1. P of x1 comma y1 is the point. And now what about the normal? Normal is a line which is totally perpendicular to the tangent. This is called as a normal. Tangent and a normal. You see here, tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other. In the last year straight lines chapter, we have studied, suppose there are two lines with slopes m1 and m2 are perpendicular, then they satisfy the condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. In the same way here, tangent and normal satisfy the condition. So that one I will tell you later. Now let us discuss some of the points here. First one is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. What is slope of tangent? It is a curve. It is tangent to a curve y is equal to f of x, you know. So slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. That's all. Suppose a tangent is making an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of tangent can also be taken as a tan theta here. Yes, fine. This is about a slope of tangent. Suppose it is given like tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. In that case, what we write? We know the condition, that is m1 is equal to m2 is the condition for a parallel lines. Here x-axis and tangent are parallel, you know. In that case, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then slope of tangent is equal to, that is dy by dx is equal to 0. Suppose it is given, it is perpendicular to x-axis, means tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. In that case, what happens? Dy by dx is equal to, should take it as 1 by 0. How is this? See, here it is tan 90. Tan 90, angle made by the line with positive direction of x-axis will be 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is infinity. You can take it as infinity, or else you can take it as a 1 by 0. This is about a slope of tangent. Now second concept, slope of normal. What is slope of normal? See, we know that tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other, you know. So we will write here slope of normal into slope of tangent is equal to minus 1. Now slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent. Minus 1 by slope of tangent it is. Yes, fine. This is the second concept. Third one, let me discuss the concept of equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Very simple it is. We know the equation of line in a point slope form. Suppose we know point and slope of a line, then what is the formula we have studied in the last year? This is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught, where x naught comma y naught is the point through which line is passing through, m is slope of the line. In the same way, in this tangent is passing through the point x1 comma y1 and its slope is dy by dx. Now equation of tangent can be taken as y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. This is the equation of a tangent. In the same way, fourth concept, what is equation of normal? Equation of normal is same as equation of tangent. Here it is x1 comma y1 is taken, you can take it as x1 comma y1 only, no problem. Now equation of normal. Before that, what will be the slope of normal? Slope of normal is equal to, we know this is minus 1 by slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, now equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. Next, angle of intersection of two curves concept. Angle of intersection of two curves. Angle of intersection of two curves is nothing but angle of intersection of two tangents. Suppose slope of a first tangent is equal to dy by dx, otherwise dy1 by dx, let me take it as m1, and slope of second tangent, means second tangent in the sense tangent to the second curve. Slope of second tangent is equal to, let me take it as dy2 by dx is equal to m2. Then what is angle of intersection of two curves? That is tan theta is equal to, last year we have studied the concept, m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. We will use this formula to find out angle between two curves. Angle between two curves is same as angle between two tangents. You should remember that. Now let me discuss the concept of sixth one, that is orthogonal curves. Same way here again, orthogonal curves, when two curves are perpendicular to each other, when two curves are orthogonal, is nothing but the tangents are orthogonal, tangents are perpendicular. Again here condition is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, means slope of first tangent into slope of second tangent should be equal to minus 1. Then those two curves will be orthogonal to each other. Now last concept, this one you have not studied, let me take it. See here we are going to discuss length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, and also length of subnormal we are going to study. Very simple it is, directly I will tell you the formula. If you want to analyze, we can analyze also with the trigonometric ratios, no problem. Suppose there is a curve like this, and there is a tangent to it like this. This is the curve, y is equal to f of x. Let me take this point as x comma y. This point is x comma y. This is a tangent, and this AB length is there, AB length is called as a length of tangent. AB length is length of tangent. Suppose you draw normal to it, then here if it is AC, then this AC is called as a length of normal. And if you drop perpendicular from the point of intersection of tangent and curves to the x-axis, let me take this point as AD. This BD is there, this BD is called as a length of subtangent, and this DC is called as length of subnormal. What is the formula to find out length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal and all? First point, length of tangent. Length of tangent, you remember the formula, y into square root of 1 plus y dash square. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. y into square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by y dash is the formula to find out length of tangent. That is nothing but AB in this figure. And second one, that is length of normal. Length of normal is equal to y into square root of 1 plus y dash square. Here length of normal is AC. Next, third one, length of subtangent. Length of subtangent. Subtangent is nothing but BD. You remember the formula as y by y dash, that is equal to BD. Last one, that is length of subnormal. Length of subnormal is y into y dash, that is nothing but this. You need to remember all these four formulae. Okay, this is about the synopsis and concepts of tangents and normal. Now let us take problems on tangent and normals. Now here is a first question. Slope of normal to the curve y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square at the point minus 1 comma 0 is. See, here I will write the diagram once for this particular problem. Suppose it is a curve y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square. How this curve will be I don't know, just simply I am writing a rough diagram. At the point minus 1 comma 0, this point is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 will not be there in the first octant. Minus 1 comma 0 will be there on the negative x axis. Simply I am writing a rough diagram here. At this point tangent and at this point normal will be there. Okay, they are asking you slope of normal to the curve y is equal to. So y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square. Let me write it as y is equal to x square minus x raised to minus 2 for easy differentiation. Okay, differentiating the curve with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x minus, as it is, differentiation of x raised to minus 2 is minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. 2x minus minus plus 2 into x raised to minus 3, 2x plus 2 by x cube. What is this? This is dy by dx. Now dy by dx, they asked you to find out at the particular point minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0, x is minus 1, y is 0. 2 into minus 1 plus 2 by minus 1 cube. This is a minus 2. 2 by minus 1 again, minus 2 minus 2, this is nothing but minus 4. What is this? This is dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but a slope of a tangent. They asked you to find out slope of normal. Now slope of normal is equal to, slope of normal equal to, we know it is minus 1 by slope of a tangent. Minus 1 by slope of a tangent, that is minus 1 by minus 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Option C is correct. Now answering question number second. The slope of tangent to the curve x is equal to t square plus 3t minus t, y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 comma minus 1. At the point 2 comma minus 1 means it is x comma y. It is given in the parametric form. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx, you know. So let me find out dy by dx first. X is equal to t square plus 3 into t minus 8, y is equal to 2 into t square minus 2t minus 5. Differentiating the function with respect to t, this is dx by dt is equal to differentiation of t square 2t plus the differentiation of 3t, it is 3 into 1 minus 0. So dx by dt is equal to 2t plus 3. And here also differentiating with respect to t, this is dy by dt equal to 2 into 2t minus 2. This is nothing but 4t minus 2. What is this? Dy by dt. We need dy by dx here. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is 4t minus 2, dx by dt is 2t plus 3. Then what is that t to substitute here? What is that t is important, you know. This is x comma y. See, x is equal to t square plus 3t minus t is given here. Now 2 comma minus 1 is nothing but x comma y. Let us put x is equal to 2 here. Now it is 2 equal to t square plus 3t minus t. T square plus 3t, if you take it to the right hand side, minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this is t square minus 10 and plus 3t. How to split it? 5 2s we can split it. Plus 5t minus 2t minus 10 is equal to 0. t into t plus 5 minus 2 into t plus 5 is equal to 0. t plus 5 into t minus 2 equal to 0. t equal to 2 values. One is minus 5, another one is plus 2. Which one to choose? Which one to choose depends on the y value again. See, y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. Let us put y is equal to minus 1. They have given you the point 2 comma minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5. 2t square minus 2t, if you take it to the right hand side, minus 5 plus 1, nothing but minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 is common, take it out and send it to the right hand side. This become t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. Now t square, this is a quadratic equation, it can be split like minus 2t plus t minus 2 equal to 0. Then t into t minus 2 plus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. t minus 2 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. Here t values are 2 and minus 1. See, in both the cases t equal to 2 satisfies. t equal to 2 we need to choose. Okay, fine. Let us substitute here. They ask you to find out slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Substituting t equal to 2, it is 4 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 3. 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So answer is 6 by 7. B is correct. Answering question number 3. The two curves x cube minus 3x y square plus 2 equal to 0 and another one curve 3x square plus y minus y cube equal to 0. They are touching each other. They are cutting at right angle, cut at pi by 3 and cut at an angle of pi by 4. These are the 4 options given here. Okay, let me check. Let me find out slopes of these two curves. First of all, means slope of tangents to these two curves. dy by dx we will find out. Differentiating the function with respect to x, this is 3x square minus 3 as it is x into y square. We need to use product rule here. X as it is, differentiation of y square 2y into y dash, sorry, plus of y square as it is, differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of 2 is 0, that is equal to 0. 3x square minus 6xy into y dash minus 3y square is equal to 0. Let us separate for y dash. This is 3x square minus 3y square is equal to 6xy into y dash. Now here you see y dash is equal to 3x square minus 3y square divided by 6xy. Keep it as it is. Y dash, you can take it as a first curve y1, otherwise you can take it as m1. Now let us take the second curve. 3x square into y minus y cube is equal to 2. Differentiating the function with respect to x, 3 as it is, x square into y. Product rule we are using, x square as it is into y dash plus y into differentiation of x square is 2x minus of y cube differentiation 3y square into y dash is equal to differentiation of 2 is 0. 3x square into y dash plus 6xy minus 3y square into y dash is equal to 0. Okay, let us separate for y dash. 3x square minus 3y square into y dash. I am taking these two terms together plus 6y. If I take it to the right hand side, it is minus 6xy. Y dash is equal to minus 6xy divided by 3x square minus 3y square. What is this? This is m2. So let me check whether these are cut at right angles or not. m1 into m2, if I take, m1 is 3x square minus 3y square divided by 6xy, and m2 is minus 6y divided by 3x square minus 3y square. 6xy, 6x square, 3x square, 3x square minus y square get cancelled. What is left with? We left with minus 1 here. So we are getting m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, you know. So which option is correct here? Both the curves cut at right angles is the correct answer here. Now let us solve question number 4. The point of the curve y square is equal to 2 into x minus 3, at which normal is parallel to the line. See, there is a line equation given y minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. I can take it as a minus 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is its slope? Means what is the slope of the line given? We know that suppose there is a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then its slope is equal to a minus a by b. This was the formula we have studied. In the same way here, slope of this curve is equal to, minus is outside as it is, a is coefficient of x minus 2 divided by b is coefficient of y. See, this is equal to 2. Normal is parallel to this line, you know. So now slope of normal is equal to what? Slope of normal is equal to 2 here. If slope of normal is 2, what will be the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by 2, because slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by slope of normal. Yes, now the point on the curve at which we need to find out the point here. You can go in alternate way also, that is checking which option is correct here. Very simple. What you do, take the first point and substitute in this curve. Which one satisfies, that will be the correct answer, like that. But I am solving it, how it comes. Now, slope of tangent we got. Y square is equal to 2 into x minus 3 is the curve equation. Differentiating the function with respect to x, 2y into y dash is equal to 2 into differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 3 is 0. 2y into y dash is equal to 2. 2 to get cancels. Y dash is equal to what? 1 by y. Y dash is equal to 1 by y. What is y dash? Y dash is slope of tangent, that is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by y. What is y now? Y is minus 2. This implies y is equal to minus 2. Which option? Among B and C, one is correct. B and C, y equal to minus 2, you know. So these two get cancelled out. Okay. Let us find x also in substituting in the curve equation. This is, I am substituting y value in the curve equation. Minus 2 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 is equal to x minus 3. Then what is x is equal to? X is equal to 5. So point is 5 comma minus 2. Now question number 5. If normal to the curve y is equal to f of x is parallel to the x-axis, normal is parallel to the x-axis, then correct statement is, see, if tangent is parallel to the x-axis, dy by dx is equal to 0. And this option is not at all correct. Which option here? Option is dx by dy. We know that dy by dx is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx, we know. Now slope of normal equal to what I can write? slope of normal equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent, that is dy by dx. This can be written as a dx by dy, sorry, minus dx by dy. They have given you normal is parallel to x axis, slope of normal equal to 0, so then dx by dy is equal to 0. C is correct. Now answering question number 6. The equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to 2 into cos x. This is the curve equation given here. At the point x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4 is the point given to us. Only x value is given. How to find out the y value? Substituting in the curve equation. Very simple. Let us put x is equal to pi by 4. This is y is equal to 2 into cos pi by 4. 2 into cos pi by 4, cos 45 degree, root 2. This is nothing but root 2. Now which point? Point x comma y is nothing but pi by 4 comma root 2. Pi by 4 comma root 2. Okay. Here, then what will be the curve equation? It means equation of tangent they ask. Equation of tangent is y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. With this point itself, let me analyze. Otherwise, you may get the right answer only. Y minus 1 is equal to m into x minus x0. M we don't know, we have to calculate. Here point is pi by 4 comma root 2. x0 is pi by 4. So x minus x0, x minus of something should be there. So this option has got cancelled. Only these three. Okay, minus root 2, everything is there. We need a slope concept. Okay, let me find out slope. Y is equal to 2 into cos x. Differentiating the function with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 2 into, what is differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Minus 2 into sin of x value is given to us, that is pi by 4. Minus 2 into pi by 4, 1 by root 2, that is nothing but minus root 2. We know the curve equation, means we know the equation of tangent. Y minus, what is y naught? We got y naught is point here, this is point x naught comma y naught. Y minus root 2 is equal to m is nothing but dy by dx minus root 2 into x minus x naught, x minus pi by 4. Which option is correct here? C is correct one. Now answering question number 7. The equation of tangent at the point minus 4 comma minus 4. Point is given to us, x naught comma y naught is equal to minus 4 comma minus 4. On the curve, x square is equal to minus 4y. Let us differentiate the function with respect to x, because we need the slope here. Point is given to us. 2x is equal to minus 4 into dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 2x by minus 4. X 2 1s are 2 2s are. This is minus x by 2. Minus x by 2 dy by dx. We need to calculate slope at the point minus 4 comma minus 4. Minus of minus 4 by 2. This is 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this is 2. Slope is 2. Slope is 2. We got it. Now equation y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. Y minus y naught is minus 4, minus minus plus, dy by dx is 2, x minus minus plus 4. Y plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 8. Then 2x plus 8 minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Option D is correct here. See, we can go in the alternate way also. Equation of tangent at the point minus 4 comma 4. Suppose it is a curve equation. At this point is minus 4 comma 4. Here both tangent equation and also curve equation should satisfy the point minus 4 comma 4. What you do, you follow the trick here by substituting the point minus 4 comma 4. Will that equation satisfies or not? You check. If it satisfies, then that option is correct. Simple one. Minus 4 comma. See, check the first option. Minus 4 comma 4. Minus 8 minus 4 plus 4. It is not equal to 0. Here minus 4. Minus 4 in the sense it is minus 8 minus 4 plus 4. it is again minus 4. No, it is not equal to 0. This one you check. 2x plus y. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 4. No, it is minus 16. This is not possible. You can check with this option. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 4 into minus 4, that is plus 4 equal to 0. You see, only this option is satisfying this. We can follow this trick also, but I have to say how it comes, that's why I did all this. Now answering 8th question. If x is equal to t square and y equal to 2t, again the parametric equation, then equation of normal at the point t equal to 1. Very simple. X is equal to t square, you find out dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2t. Y is equal to 2t is given, you find out dy by dt, that is 2. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is 2, dx by dt is 2t, 2 get cancels out, 1 by t. Then what is dy by dx at the point t equal to 1? At t equal to 1 is 1, so 1 by 1. Dy by dx equal to 1. What is this? This is slope of a tangent. What will be the slope of normal? Slope of normal equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent dy by dx. This is nothing but minus 1 by 1 means minus 1. This is slope of normal we got. We need the point also. How to find out the point? X is equal to t square. If we substitute t equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2t. If we substitute t equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So point x0 comma y0 is equal to what? 1 comma 2. Okay. Now finding equation of normal. Equation of normal formula, y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x0. Y minus y0 is 2, minus 1 by dy by dx is 1 into x minus 1. So this is y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. Let us take this to the left hand side. Y minus 2 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Which option? Option A is correct. Now question number 9. The points on the curve y is equal to 12x minus x cube at which gradient is 0. Gradient is 0 is nothing but slope is 0. Slope is also called as gradient. So here it is given dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Now here also you can go with the checking which option satisfies the curve, means which points satisfies the curve. First point, let us check 0 comma 2. X is 0, y is 2. Will it satisfies? No, it will not satisfy. Like that we can cross check. Yes, fine. Let me simplify and tell you. Differentiating the function dy by dx, this is 12 minus 3x square, given dy by dx equal to 0, means it is 12 minus 3x square is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 12 by 3, it is 4. X square is equal to 4 means x square is equal to plus or minus 2 whole square. X is equal to plus or minus 2. X equal to plus or minus 2. Once x equal to 2 and once x is equal to minus 2. So either C or D is correct here. Now when x is equal to plus 2, what is y equal to? Y is equal to 12 into 2 minus 2 cube. Y is equal to 12 into 2, 24 minus 2 cube is 8. 24 minus 8 is 16. When x is equal to plus 2, y is equal to plus 16. Here is minus 16. So C is also not correct. Only option we left with is option D. D is the correct one. Or else what you do? You go with the substitution here. If you substitute 0 comma 2, is this satisfying? No, it is not satisfying. So A is not correct. B is also same thing happens here. B is also not correct. Then go with substituting the point. Like that we can cross check and answer it. These are all very easy ones. Now answering the last question, that is question number 10. The line x plus y equal to 2 is tangent to the curve at its point. Again you see, Very simple one. Suppose there is a curve like this. This curve equation is x square is equal to 3 minus 2y. It is given. Tangent equation given is x plus y is equal to 2. This is the point. This point I need to find out. How will you find out the point? By, let me check with the by substituting the options. We are going with options here. Or else what you do, you find its slope, you find this slope also, that is dy by dx, both are equal, you equate it. Very simple. Now, first one, tangent equation is x plus 2, x plus y is equal to 2. If we check the first option, 1 plus 1 is equal to, yes, it is satisfying. In the same way, I need to check with other options also. Second point, minus 1 comma 1. This becomes 0, not possible. This is root 3 plus 0, no. 3 minus 3, again it is 0. Only option which is satisfying is option A. Yes, thank you.